If he's in a fight, somebody will win. Where did a little broken black piece of plastic go? With Triangle Man. Somebody's going to be laughing because they're going to go, yeah, it's right there. Yeah, I can't rewind my video while I'm recording. That look kind of stupid. All of a sudden it cuts and it starts recording again. Come on. I didn't sit in there, did I? No, I didn't. Doesn't really matter because it's broken. You can't just touch it. Laugh at me, people. Laugh at me. You didn't listen to your own advice. Well, I did and tried to. Where did it go? Where did it go? I don't see it on the floor. It's somewhere else. Where is it? Well, I don't see it. It's not on my desk. And it's one of those pieces that even if I did have, it wouldn't have done much good. Except hold a screw in that broken. Maybe if I get up and I walk around. No. That would make sense. See, this is a bad thing. I start looking around for this. The more time I spend, the less I'm going to remember how this stupid thing goes back together. And it's going to cause me more problems later. It is probably worth dealing with. Well, because some guy dropped his laptop, I end up wasting my time trying to make it slightly better. Let's say, like I said before, this is always unedited, original content. Provided to you by DEFCON 5, Streaming live from Fredericksburg, Virginia. I'll find it after I put it all back together. Just gotta remember that one of these corners isn't gonna work. Okay. I'm going to put those screws back in now. I need to clip that down first. All this down. Oh, it's gonna burn a fire. Misa think you're so crazy. Uh-oh. This is one of those oh snap moments. Remember what I was saying about the screw sizes? Had that one there. Should it go here? Or did I have one there that goes in here? I could leave this one out until the end. But then if I need that one, yes I will. Now that one is going to be a little short for this task. But it is just long enough to reach that. The threading does extend further. This one does have Loctite right now. Screw is long enough for that too. It has about the same amount of threading. So 2.5 by 4 millimeter screw. Back down. The thing is, they're both 2.5.